everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aijin here, and today's video I will test my Aquamarine and Peridot ring if it is genuine and authentic gemstones. I already know that this is a real one because the jewelry shop showed me if it reacts on the diamond testers, and the Aquamarine doesn't read at all. So, and I already tested on a UV light, there's no reaction at all. And before I proceed, if you haven't subscribed to channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And we know that Peridot is attracted to magnet because of the iron as well as Aquamarine, but light green gem Aquamarine is a lighter magnetism compared to the darker one. So let's see if this Peridot first, if it's magnetic because of the iron. Now, as you can see, it magnetizes Peridot. And remember, this is a gold, 18 karat gold. And as you can see, it doesn't touch the ring. However, it magnetizes the sound. It's moving the whole ring. See that? And now I will show you the Aquamarine if it's real or not. As you could see, it's moving, and the reason is not as stronger because the setting of this ring is a platinum. It's PT 900, platinum 900. I'm not sure if it's picking up on the camera, but it's moving. And remember that Aquamarine, it has an iron in it also, so it attracts magnet. It affects magnetism. And the darker, the stronger. And I know and I believe that this is a genuine Aquamarine, not a blue topaz, because blue topaz doesn't attract magnet. And I will show you what's the color of this stone. It's a color dark blue. It's not topaz because it's different color from the Aquamarine, and as you can see, it's clearer compared to the topaz. The consistency of color of topaz is very blue, and it's different color blue, and this is a clear one. So yes. Now, if you have bought or if you have a Aquamarine at home, you can do this test and see if it's a genuine by using a magnet, or if you have a UV light, you could just torch it off, and if it's a topaz, it will show green or yellowish color, but if it's a genuine aquamarine, it shows a medium dark blue color. So as you can see, there's no reaction on the zone, and it's still color blue, and it's darker. You can see that it's not color green or yellow, so it's color medium blue. If you touch it up, you can see, yeah. And if you use a diamond tester, there's no reading at all. And if you use a topaz on a diamond tester, it will read. So yes. And if you like this video, and please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. And please comment down below what will be the next. Have a good day and have a great night.